Next up, the flight recon mission for White Lotus. First of all, we need to land a Helo at the Hafid port helipad, download the flight path data, and then extract with it. It's super easy to do. All we need to do is open up the map and locate a helicopter, then travel to it. Usually you'll find one around the Al Malik airport in the southeast side of the map. It's usually the easiest place to get to. So hop in a car or the train and navigate across there. We'll need to get inside of this and fly it somewhere. Of course, helicopters are usually well protected, so do be prepared when you get here. So getting into the helicopter and ascending, we need to head all the way across to the far west side of the map. Opening it up, zooming into the Hafid port, all the way over here, you'll see this little line. At the northmost point here, that's where we need to head, and that's where we need to land. Helicopters are super easy to fly, just travel up, straight across them. If someone has control of a SAM site, you will want to avoid it, that way you won't get shot down. So with the Hafid port helipad now in sight, we just need to navigate over them and land on it. Flying a helicopter is super easy, just hold space to ascend, fly directly across here, and hold control to descend onto the helipad. So gingerly touching down, we'll hop out of the helicopter and press F to download flight path data. Then we can get back in, take off, and now all we need to do is navigate across to an exit point. For me, I'll exfil over here. Of course, the plane doesn't need to survive, just you do, so call it an exfil and hold out. And the last mission here, extract the light Helo's flight path data, will be completed when we take off and leave the map. There isn't any kind of notification for completing it until we actually successfully exfil. There we go, mission complete. Super easy to do, and of course, really safe as long as you can get into a helicopter pretty easily. If you find that an exfil has players near it, simply fly up, fly away, and to the next nearest exfil point. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Mine has been Technopa here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!